Replacing engine mount in C class 205. This is the inline 4-cylinder engine, 264 engine. So one mounting is here, another mounting is here, this side. This one is the easy, and this side is have protection brake cover. So this cover, this one have bolt 1, 2 and 3. This one for P12. This is the tool for this one. Which pump? Coolant pump? No.